Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of arithmetic progressions. This is the 33rd question in the series. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous 32 as well. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description for your reference. This is also a HOTS question, that is higher order thinking skills question. Now remember, this is a nice question because it involves a small trick and it's a good concept to learn. Okay, it's a good concept to learn. So I will emphasize that you focus really hard and learn this question very well. I will call out that exact trick when the time comes. Okay, now it says the ratio of the sum of n terms of two different APs is 7n plus 1 upon 4n plus 27. Find the ratio of their mth terms. Okay, so it says there are two APs. Let me call the two sums of the two APs as S1 of n terms and S2 of n terms. Okay, there are two APs, AP1, AP2, and the sum of the first n terms of the first AP, because n remains the same, it will be n by 2 into, let me denote its first term by 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1, because the first AP will have a difference, first term and common difference, and the second term will be the second sum will be n by 2 into 2 of a2 plus of n minus 1 into d2, which is the common difference of the second two terms. Now let's see here. The question says, if I do s1 divided by s of 2, what do I get? The question says I get n by 2. Okay, I'm putting n by 2 in a bracket here, and this is also divided by n by 2, and this will be 2 of a1 plus of n minus 1 into d1. Okay, the second part is 2 of a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. Okay, this is what the question says. If you solve this further, what you get is s1 upon s2 is equal to 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 divided by 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. This is what you get. Okay, but in the question it says that the ratio of the sum of n terms of two APs is this. Okay, the question says that this is equal to 7n plus 1 divided by 4n plus 27. Okay, s1 upon s2 is equal to this. This is given in the question, and we have to find the ratio of their nth terms. Okay, we have to find the ratio of the nth terms. So now comes the trick. Okay, if I just replace the value of n in this question with 2m minus 1. Okay, firstly understand whether I can do that or not. I can do that. Okay, because I'm just saying that I want to modify this equation in such a way so that I get the formula of the nth term. So currently this formula represents the sum of the nth terms. This ratio represents the ratio of the sum of the nth terms. From here I want to go to the nth term formula. Okay, so to do that I am just putting or changing the value of n. Okay, let's imagine n was say 13. I am putting n as 2m minus 1, so m will be 7. Okay, if n was 13, 2m minus 1 is equal to n, so m will become 7. Okay, so I'm just changing the number. I'm actually not playing around with the values. So when I change the number in this way, notice very carefully what do I get here. The same s1 upon s2 remain. Okay, and that's why I've put s1 upon s2 at the center. The same s1 upon s2 remain, and when I replace n with 2m minus 1, what this becomes is, this becomes 2 of a1 plus this becomes 2m minus 1 into d1, and the bottom term becomes 2 of a2 plus of 2m minus 1 into d2. Okay, now because I changed m equal to n equal to 2m minus 1 here, I'll do the same here as well. So this will be 7 times of 2m minus 1 plus 1. Okay, n will become 2m minus 1 and this is plus 1 outside of the bracket, and this whole thing divided by 4 times of 2m minus 1 plus 27. Okay, plus 27. Okay, now let's see. The same s1 upon s2 holds even now, but what will this become now is 2 of a1 plus 2 times of m minus 1 into d1, and the whole thing is divided by 2 of a2 plus 2 times of m minus 1 into d2. Now you see all the 2 gets cancelled, and what we are remaining is the nth term. What we are remaining with is the nth term over here. Okay, so what we get now is this will become 14m minus 7 plus 1, the whole thing divided by 8m minus 4 plus 27. Now I am ignoring the s1 upon s2 over here because we don't need that. What this ratio now becomes is a1 plus m minus 1 into d1, the whole thing divided by a2 plus m minus 1 into d2, and what this is equal to is the nth term, sorry, mth term of AP1 divided by mth term of AP2, which is equal to 14m minus 6 divided by 8m minus 8m plus 23, 8m plus 23, and 14m minus 6 divided by 8m plus 23, and this is the answer. Okay, now remember, whenever, this is the trick here, okay, remember, whenever the ratio of the sum is given, okay, divide the two things and replace ratio of sum is given, ratio of sum is given, replace n with m, sorry, 2m minus 1, and you will get the ratio of nth terms. Okay, ratio, this is the trick, ratio of nth term. Okay, so what we did here, let me highlight this. What we did here, n is equal to 2m minus 1, this was the trick, okay, that led you from the ratio of the sum to the ratio of the nth terms. I hope you found this solution useful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. In case you want me to solve any other part of mathematics for you, do shoot your queries at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.